Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Marsha, and on today's video, I am going to show you what I've thrifted and how I styled items for my front porch for fall. So let's get crafting. For thrifted item number one, I found these plastic pumpkin buckets that are used for trick-or-treat. Now you can buy these at Walmart. I do believe they're $1.98. I'm going to start by cutting the handle off, and I gave them a really good clean. And then I'm going to go in with some Dixie Belle's gray paint. This is Hurricane Gray chalk paint. And I did add some baking soda. And we are going to try to make these look like concrete planters. For the first coat, I'm just going in and doing normal strokes up and down. Now, once the first coat is dry, and you do want to make sure the coat dries completely because of the baking soda, it will pull the paint off the plastic. Now, with the second coat, you're going to go in and you're going to stipple the paint on just up and down, and that's really going to give it that concrete texture. Once the second coat was completely dry, I did take these outside and give them a coat of the clear matte finishing spray, and here's how they turned out. And I styled them on my front porch with some faux dahlias. What do y'all think? For thrifted item number two, I've thrifted these two wicker basket planters. I love to pick these up. These are one of my favorite things to find at the thrift store because you can use them for almost anything. Now, these I didn't do anything to them, but style them with some fake florals from Hobby Lobby. I can't keep a plant alive, so I have to do faux plants. For our thrifted item number three, I have this grapevine wreath. I find these a lot at the Goodwill bins. I don't always pick them up, but I did pick this one up to make over for a fall. I also found on the same day this bunch of sunflowers. I think it was originally from Hobby Lobby, actually. I am just gonna place them to see how I want them styled, and once I figure that out, I will hot glue them. Once I have everything completely hot glued, I'm just going to make a simple little bow with some velvet ribbon. This is in the color tan, or I think it was called champagne, but I get these off of Amazon all the time. And here's how it turned out. Nothing fancy, just simple, just the way I like it. You guys let me know what you think. And for thrifted item number 4, I found this white pumpkin. It's pretty large. These are the carvable ones that you can buy from like Hobby Lobby or Michael's Joann's. I am going to give it a coat of terracotta acrylic paint just to make it look more realistic. Now I did add baking soda to the paint, and I am going to give this 2 coats. I gave the stem a coat, 2 coats of brown, I think it's nutmeg brown acrylic paint, and I did add baking soda to it also. Once I have the stem painted, I'm going to take some of that nutmeg brown paint mixture, and I am going to go in with a small detail brush, and I'm going to go in those little divots, and this is going to make it look more realistic. I'm going to go in first with the brush and put a line of that brown paint, and then I'm taking a piece of a makeup sponge and just dabbing it to just blend it in. And here's how it turned out and how I styled it. I put it in my big lantern on my front porch. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. It really helps my channel out. If you liked the video, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.